Lang kayo? Yeah.
This one, I'll try this one.
Wow. Beef bar. Oops, you're not seeing it. The beef bar. Slabs of steaks.
Hi, sir. Would you like to try, sir?
It's okay.
Can I get balloon?
I'll get one piece.
You got one each?
One lang, one piece.
Ada, you pick pala, you pick.
Saan ba yung salted dito? Isa. Okay, teka, i-video ko.
Sige, sir. Best seller po natin for Stevia, the Pink Dragon.
Pink Dragon, okay.
Try po, sir.
Try that.
Magkano yung isang bottle?
For Stevia po is 200 per bottle.
Okay.
Sarap yan.
Sarap nga.
Can you let him
Stevia
try?
talaga ah.
Yes, sir. Wala po siyang any artificial flavors.
Okay.
Can you let him try yung lemon ginger?
What did you buy before?
I
I
bought,
think I want calamansi.
yeah, I bought calamansi before the
So, I'll try the lemon
guyabano
The
na
lemon
sabon.
ginger. Ito,
And,
sir, perfect to for hypertension.
perfect.
Yes. Pampakalma po. Relaxing. The lemon ginger.
Pampalambot.
And then lemon calamansi.
Lemon calamansi.
Sige.
Ito naman po for immunity to. The lemon calamansi.
Immunity.
Good.
Mm.
Can you let him try yung guyabano also?
Kasi sa Kuya Bono, ang available natin for today, the classic.
Yung classic. Sige, okay lang. Let him try.
Pero ma'am, same lang naman sila ng lasa. Ang pinagkaiba po is sushi.
Sarap ng guyabano eh. I don't drink guyabano. I don't eat guyabano but sarap the juice. Diba?
I want the
Sige. I'm sorry.
ginger na lang.
Ginger na lang.
Ba yan?
Sarap, diba?
Sarap.
Or
You like the ginger?
Yeah, ginger one.
ginger na lang po.
Okay,
Nagustuhan ni sir.
get the
Plastic
pay.
natin ito, sir.
Oo, plastic. Get this. May Gcash?
Is it nice?
Gcash na lang.
Is it nice? It's really good.
Yeah,
I always
sarap.
buy from them. Okay.
Sir. Ito, the lemon ginger.
Pero ako yung mga sa Banabay, okay, saglit lang.
Okay.